Start by locating the hood latch, usually located in the driver's side footwell. Then open your hood by finding the hood latch safety, usually located under the front lip of the hood. Now find your filler cap for your oil and check to see what's printed on there. That will be the weight of the oil you need to use when refilling your oil. Now locate your dipstick. If you have any questions on where it is, you can always consult your owner's manual. Pull out the dipstick and wipe off the oil so you'll get an accurate reading, then reinsert it. Now pull it out again and you will have an accurate reading. Now, dipsticks can be confusing, so you can always consult your owner's manual to understand what the notches on it mean. Or, you can always take it to an auto care center and ask a professional if you have any questions.